the GCSE textbook here has a very clear definition of what it is, and this could be a very simple 2-mark question. So we need to make sure we've got all these points as it is, without waffling, without repeating ourselves, but covering everything. And it actually starts with a bit of etymology, where the word comes from. It's probably Greek, isn't it? Yeah, so if I remember from the textbook, it says Eucharist means thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. It's the name Catholics use to describe the rite, R-I-T-E, like ritual, R-I-T, right. The rite where the bread and wine become the body and blood of Jesus and are then received by the people. All right. It's also then the name for the real presence. Good. Real presence, capital R, capital P. It really is Jesus. Jesus is really substantially there. That's why they've got capitals. Okay, so that's the last bit, isn't it? It's also the name for the real presence of Jesus. It's also the name for the real presence of Jesus. Yeah, there's a bit on the end here. There's a bit on the end. There's a very important S word. S word. There are 7 sacraments. Okay. So it's also the name for the real presence of Jesus in the sacrament of the Eucharist. Good, but you can't repeat the word Eucharist in a definition about the Eucharist, really. So yes, it's also the name for the real presence of Jesus in the sacrament of Holy Communion. That's what we're going to call the sacrament there. Okay, all right, good. I think I understand it. Right, go from the top. I've got the list. I've got it in front of me, so I'll check and I'll stop you if you get it wrong. Think through. Try and do it with your eyes closed. Really, really try and feel your way. Wrestle through it. Okay. Eucharist means thanksgiving. It is the name Catholics use to describe the rite where the bread and wine become the body and blood of Jesus and is received by the people. It's also the name for the real presence of Jesus in the sacrament of Holy Communion. Okay, how does that feel? We're getting there.